So how do you remove a password from an iPhone? Let me show you the way to do that from multiple different angles. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So very quickly, if you mean like removing passwords stored on your device, you can look up the passwords app on your iPhone, which is the official manager of passwords. You can get inside, and in here you can see all of these stored ones. And if you want to delete something, you can just swipe left on it and tap on delete, and it's going to be moved away basically, and it's gonna be deleted. It's gonna be part of the recently deleted folder, and after 30 days it's gonna be deleted permanently. So just like with most places on the iPhone, we still have like a second chance sort of where it's put into the recently deleted folder and not fully gone just yet. But yeah, that's how you can remove the password. If you by any chance mean the removing of the password, which is when you are unlocking the device, what you have the ability to do is to open up the settings, find the Face ID and passcode, authenticate yourself with the current code, but then you can see that we have the ability to change the passcode or turn off the passcode. In our case, the turn off doesn't work because I have to at first disable the Face ID and so on. But if I turn off all of these things, then I'm going to have the ability to turn off the passcode as well. It is definitely something which it's not something I would recommend you ever. The reason being that it makes your device much less secure and plenty of things are going to be compromised. Obviously, you need to have a passcode on your phone for any kind of security, but if you really want to do it for whatever reason, then this is where you can find it. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you found what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and sticking till the end with me, and I will hopefully see you later in the future uploads. That is only if you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.